today I'll be creating some press-on nails for a client. I'm doing a brown and nude set. I'm gonna go in with some brown acrylic. I'm just gonna jump right in. So I'm gonna put some brown on the big finger, and I am using acrylic to do these press-ons. When using acrylic on the plastic tips, I don't like prep the surface. I don't buff the surface, but if you're gonna go in with gel polish only, then you could, well, you should buff the surface so that the gel polish will have something to stick to. But acrylic adheres to plastic well, so I don't have to buff the shape. So that's one step that I don't have to worry about. So here I'm just applying a thin layer of the brown. Gonna let that set. I'm gonna move on to the other nail. The pointer nail is brown as well, so I'm just gonna do this. This is a very simple set to do. So I'm just patting that up and down, and just smoothing that out. Let me try here. Oh, that's too much. So the brush that I'm using, I didn't even give you guys this info before I started. The brush that I'm using is a number 8 Kolinsky brush. This is a brand, and I bought it at a local beauty supply store here. I really like this brush. It's really easy to work with. So yeah, so that's the size brush that I'm using. I'm gonna start off with the nudes now. So it's kind of like a slant design. With this design, you can add your nude and then sharpen up the slant line. However, I'll be putting foil on top, so I won't go in and like neaten that up too much, because the foil will be covering that slant line right there, or the diagonal line that will be there. I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I'm applying the nude, put on like an ample amount, and I'm dragging it down, probably like a medium-sized bead starting up from the top, and I am just pulling that downwards, and I'm kind of creating that diagonal on the side here while I pull the acrylic down. So I don't want this to be too thick. And this line here right now, it doesn't, hope you guys can see the line right here, it does not have to be perfect right now. And then I'm gonna take my brown, I'm just gonna add it on the side right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on these two nails. kind of tilting the, what do you call this, the press-on nail holder. I'm kind of tilting it downwards so that the acrylic can flow freely downwards and not have it like flat, so that the acrylic, it doesn't go towards the sides, it will just go like flow downwards. What time now? Oh my god, it's like 11:30 in the night. I got home from work not too long ago. I am super tired, guys, so if I do sound tired in this video that is why. I had a late client, got home around 9 something, and I've just been working ever since I got home. And now I'm on these press-on nails. Okay, so that's what we're working with. All right, so now we're gonna add in our foils. So I had a big container with foils that I had from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon. It was like a 3-piece. I took some out of that larger piece and put it in this little container here. So now I have these foils. I'm just gonna take my tweezer and take out a piece. This should be more than enough. And I'm just gonna like put it apart to make smaller pieces. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm going to like dip the brush in. Ooh, like I just blowed, guys, and it the foil is got all over the place. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's not breathe while we apply these foils. So I'm just dipping my brush into the monomer just to get it a little bit wet, and then I just take my time and tap on the foil, and this liquid helps to stick it on the nail. Ooh. And just applying light pressure, and I'm putting it right on top of that diagonal line right there. You guys see that? So you see, like, you didn't need to like neat and find anything. You don't need to be precise with your lines because this will be covering it up anyways. So yeah, I feel like I lost a lot of foils just now. Like that little hard breath that I did, man, just took everything. All right. Okay, so we have our little diagonal thingy going on. I'm gonna apply to these two as well. So now that I have this working with, I'm going to go in and I'm gonna cap all of these to protect the color, and so that when I start filing, I won't scratch this up and I won't file off the foil that I applied. Again, I'm going in with a thin bead of acrylic, starting from the top and just pulling it down onto the nail. This is the point right here. Don't worry about it. I will be filing it off really soon. Again, I'm holding it downwards. So this is what we're working with. I did this off camera, so they are so cute. My clients wanted these set to be really short, so you know, I'm delivering. Same length as these. Remember I told you guys that I wanted these to come off real quick. It's almost 1 week now. This one is kind of lifting up, but they are still on. So probably the base that I put on wasn't meant for it to be peeled off or popped off nails. So what I'm gonna do now with my filing, I'm just gonna take the nail off because it's gonna be easier for me to file. And basically I'm just gonna use this file. It's a 180 grit file and start shaping. I didn't add too much acrylic or changed the shape of the nail too much, so I'm gonna like neaten this up. That's filed up, and I'm gonna file all the others. Okay, so all the nails are filed. I'm gonna go ahead and buff them. So I'm not really like smoothing the nail too much because I want some of the scratches to stay on the nails so that the gel top coat can adhere to it. So I'm gonna remove the dust off these and then we can get into top coating. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is the finished set, guys. It came out really pretty. Really love how they look. These are the finished press-on nails, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me creating this set of nails. This is super easy acrylic press-on nail to try out. They are super cute and I can't wait to deliver them to my client. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.